Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a data pipeline with Apache Spark, full guide step by step clearly. To create a data pipeline with Apache Spark, start by setting up your environment. Install Java Development Kit, also known as JDK, as Apache Spark requires it. Next, download Apache Spark from the official website. Choose a version that works for your use case and ensure it's compatible with your environment. Extract the downloaded Spark files to a suitable directory. Set up your Spark environment variables. Add the Spark bin directory to your system's path variable. Now, let's configure a cluster manager. You can choose between standalone mode or leverage a cluster manager such as YARN or Mesos. Next, install any dependencies like Hadoop if you're working with HDFS. With your environment ready, you can start writing your Spark application. Choose a programming language, preferably Python, Java, or Scala. If using Python, ensure that you have PySpark installed. Create a new file for your Spark application. Start by initializing a Spark session in your application. Make sure to include the necessary import statements at the beginning of your code. Next, load your data source into your Spark application. This could be a CSV file, JSON, or even a database. Use Spark's built-in functions to begin transforming your data. Consider operations like filtering, mapping, or reducing for your data transformation needs. Once your data is transformed, you can write it back to a data sink. This could be a database, a file system, or an API endpoint. Test your data pipeline locally to ensure it works as expected. Once confirmed, deploy your Spark application to your chosen cluster manager. Monitor your application's performance using Spark's web UI. Use logging to capture any errors or exceptions that may arise during execution. Finally, document your entire pipeline, including data sources and transformation logic. This documentation will be invaluable for future reference or team members. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.